Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to talk about how to attach toys to Candy and then where to find them and what to search online to find them. So I have this necklace right here, and what they did was they took a sharp needle and made a hole on both sides and then tied the string on this toy. Now that's one example. This one, same thing. They took a needle. These were all gifted to me. These are part of my candy collection. I didn't make these. But they took a needle and went through. So I imagine that they pinched this and then poked a needle through. Please be careful if you're using a needle, a sharp needle like that. Another option for this one, you could make a necklace to attach it without making a hole. Okay, for this one, this is a pants chain. They made a hole here. Hopefully you can see that. So they poked a hole through the plastic. Now there's two ways you can do this. And you're going to want to be careful, or, if you're a minor, get an adult to help. But this one, they melted. So what they did was got a needle warm with a lighter and poked it through. Now you can burn your fingers because the needle is going to get hot if you do that method. Another option you could do is to drill through hard plastic to make a hole if there's not a hole on your toy. But like I said, please be careful. Now, here's a toy. If you can find a toy that has a little place to tie on, like they used his arm right here just to tie him on, or you could go around his neck. Now a lot of these little toys like this will come with this little ribbon hole attached, and that makes it a lot easier to tie on. That's how he's on there. And here's a little Lego guy. You could just tie around their neck. And this one has a little opening so you could stick the string through and tie it on. Okay, so those were a few ideas. You can poke a hole with a needle, a drill, or find creative ways to tie them on. All right, now we're going to talk about where to find these kind of toys. One of the best places to find toys is at a thrift store. So a lot of times on the right side, you can see that this bag is filled with toys, and they'll do that a lot. And those are pretty fun to get because it's a random mix. Or you could just, pick them from the shelf, like on the other side. But thrift stores they can be hit or miss, but they're fun when you get good toys. Another place to find really cool stuff is in the baby section at any store. So Walmart, Target, anywhere you go, you can go to the baby section and find really cool toys. And this image up here, I actually found on Amazon. And these are really fun. So if you search baby teethers, you can find these on Amazon. Now, another thing you can find at stores and online are baby rattles. So if you search baby rattles, you can find, I found these on Amazon too. You can use these for candy. These are just really unique toys and what we used to use a lot back in the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you next time.